In this video, I'm going to be showing guys how you can get unbanned from Wizz. As you can see, you can easily get unbanned here by following these simple steps. Make sure to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Now, let's start right now. Now, the first thing guys you need to do is to remove the app, okay? Probably you will say, okay, why would I remove the app, stuff like that. You have to remove the app, okay? If you're using Android or iPhone, you have to uninstall the app, okay? Remove it from your phone. Just remove it. And then after that, guys, this will be easy now. Now, how you can get unbanned from from Wizz. Now, what you want to do, guys, you just want to follow these simple steps. This is very easy, guys, and it won't take you any time. And this is the best way to get unbanned. I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube say that you need stuff like you need to clear the data, stuff like that, but it doesn't really work. I tried it and it doesn't work. Now, what you want to do, guys, next is to open your settings and change the name of your phone. Click on General and click About, click Name. And if you're using Android, like I said, the same steps, change it to something else. iPhone, for example, 11. Click Done. Now, after you change that, guys, you want to go back and then go to your App Store, okay? Go to your App Store and search for VPN Super. Okay, you wanna just search for VPN Super, okay? Now, after you search, guys, for VPN Super, you will have to download it. Now, after you download it, here is the trick, okay? This is the trick that a lot of people don't know. Now, okay, this is the VPN. You wanna click on Get. Now, after you download VPN, you want to click on Get again. Okay, now after, guys, like I said, you download the VPN, you just want to like open it. I just wait for it to download. This is very quick. Yeah, you want to open, you want to click on Open. So like you want to click on Agree and Continue. You want to click this X in the top right. And you want to click Continue. And click on Don't Allow. Now, what you want to do, guys, you want to click on you don't have to change the country. You just want to let it fastest location. You want to click on Connect. You want to click here. Okay, click Allow. Click Allow and give it permission to use VPN on your iPhone or Android. I'm just going to click Add. Now, as you can see here, guys, we are using the VPN right now. Here is the trick, guys. You want to go now and download the app from your Play Store or App Store, Wizz, okay? Now, after, guys, you download Wizz, don't sign up using the same information. This is not why. Don't sign up using the same information when you're on your account to go to banned. Don't use the same information. Now use a different name, a different age, a different everything different, okay? And let me know in the comments if this works now, okay? Don't use, like I said, the same Gmail. Use another Gmail. So see you guys in the next video. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works.